How to see hidden chats online. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see hidden chats in Line application. To do so, first of all, you will need to open your Line application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. In this home page, at the top right, you will be able to see the gear icon. Tap on the gear icon and then in the settings page, here you will need to look for the general section, and once you locate the general section, look for chats option. Once you locate it, tap on chats option to open the new page. In this page, now you will need to scroll down and at the very bottom, you will be able to locate two different options. Simply select this hidden chats option and then inside it, you will be able to see the chats that you have hid in Line account. If you would like to edit it further, you can tap on this edit button at the right side and from here, you will be able to see the unhide option. If you would like to unhide it now, simply tap on this unhide chat and then you will be able to unhide this chat. Now this chat will be presented in your chat list. So by following these steps, you should be able to see the hidden chats on Line application. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.